Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to let the information sink in naturally. Today's video is about the Bible Belt. What is it, and why is it called that? Let's explore this fascinating topic together. The Bible Belt refers to a region in the southern United States where evangelical Protestant Christianity plays a very strong role in society and culture. This term started being used in the early 20th century to describe an area where church attendance is higher than the national average and where religious beliefs often shape politics, education, and daily life. States often included in the Bible Belt are Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and parts of Kentucky and Florida. One of the defining characteristics of the Bible Belt is its cultural emphasis on conservative social values, traditional family roles, and religious faith. You'll often find that schools, local governments, and even businesses reflect Christian principles. Church activities, Bible studies, and community gatherings often revolve around religious life, and many local events are tied to church calendars. Historically, the rise of the Bible Belt was influenced by revival movements in the 19th and early 20th centuries, where preachers traveled across the South to spread evangelical teachings. These revival meetings helped embed religious fervor into the social and political fabric of the region. Today, the Bible Belt continues to influence national politics, especially on issues like abortion, same-sex marriage, and education policies. Despite its name, the Bible Belt is not a formal geographic region, but more of a cultural zone. People living outside the South may think of it as a uniform block, but in reality, there is a lot of diversity even within the Bible Belt states. Urban centers like Atlanta, Dallas, and Nashville often show a mix of progressive and conservative cultures, while rural areas tend to lean more strongly toward traditional religious values. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's essential for mastering English and gaining a deeper understanding of American culture. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us keep growing and creating even better videos for you. See you in the next adventure.